morning and welcome to Drea's Travels. We're here for our early morning rope drop to get on Avatar's Flight of Passage. Jazz, thinking about walking, you're never good.
No, right? They make these things like beautiful. So you're like immersed. I think I've used that word so many times. You are immersed into the land of.
That's what makes Disney so special, because they really do put a lot of time in everything.
You see on those hot days? I mean, they could definitely have them running right now. Or is Carl will take that?
That is an amazing structure. Like, well, how is it? Yeah, supporting. Looks like vines.
Great. Welcome to the Avatar program. Soon, you're going to have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi ride. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars, which look a lot like the Navi. They're created by blending human DNA and Navi DNA. Once we match you to an avatar, thanks to a special link chair, your mind will be able to control that avatar.
Flying on the back of an Ikran, or as we call it, a banshee. To the Navi, connecting to an Ikran and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Navi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience to you.
Now, you work for me, put your hand down. All right, folks, let's pitch all of our new furniture. So when I shout it out, I mean all of you can shout it right back. Scapoose!
Yum.
Woo, there we go. Now we're sounding better. Now, I've already done a forward motion test, an alignment test.
That's really cool. It's like a mango flavor to it. Very refreshing. It's very hot this morning. We just got off Flight of Passage, and it was fantastic. It was dreamy. Good morning, fellow travelers. Today we're at Animal Kingdom in Florida. So we just got off the Flight of Passage. We got here at rope drop at 8 a.m. and got off the ride at 9 a.m. So now we have the rest of the day to explore the rest of the park. I already got my first drink from the World of Pandora. Don't remember what it was called, but I did take a picture of it when it looked really pretty. But it's so far been a really good experience and just life-changing. I would love to come here every year and ride that again. It was wonderful. Later on, we're going to ride Dinosaur and then come back to Pandora to do the Navi River journey, which is another boat ride like we did for Pirates. So keep watching the videos, like, subscribe, and comment below, and follow our journey. Bye. While on our way to Lion King, we get to hear beautiful music. think that's the end of the trails.
We did that
Fun
part.
little hike, huh?
Yeah, it was a fun little hike. Are you recording?
All the time.
All the time. All the time.
Oh, that's real gear.
It's what?
That was
yeah,
weird
real
gear.
clear. They don't let anybody carry that into the park. I'm sure you have to have a permit. We're gonna see this guy in there playing the bongo. No, it's just like Andre said, pirates. Like they're just. Yeah. It's okay.
Hi.
Happy river journey. Thank you. Oh, there's two.
Ah.
Sunday Resort.
Now it's time for lunch at the cantina. I got a kids meal.
Okay.
Kids meal is steam burger pod, chips, grapes, came with a drink, pay for dessert, and pay for the sangria.
Mango rolls.
So now I'm gonna break open the cheesecake.
Go.
Ooh, it is purple on the inside. Look at that. Next up, Kilimanjaro.
Jumbo, everyone! Jumbo means hello in Swahili. Jumbo. Now that's a whole bloat of hippo on our left. A bloat means a group of hippo. And these birds here are pink-backed pelican. Named for the pink color they get during mating season. Now when a giraffe is attacked by a predator, they'll take their neck, and they'll attempt to sweep that predator with it like a club, with enough force to shatter bones. There's a baby behind the adult next to the baobab tree. You see that little baby elephant over there? Baby giraffes? Are the baby giraffes next to us?
They're right behind them.
Oh, she's crossing the road here. Plenty more in Holy Cow. Oh! There's actually a lot of wildebeest on our way. My gosh, the baby elephant is so close to the water.
Oh man, I'm right next to this.
We're gonna chill for a second. Elephants can fit up to 5 gallons of water in their trunks at a time.
Wow.
The baby elephant is 1,500 pounds, roughly, and she is 2 years old. A lot of paperwork. We are going to follow this ostrich because it is walking directly in the road. This ostrich looks soggy from the rain earlier. She keeps glancing over her shoulder like I'm being rude.
Excuse me. I'm walking.
Ostrich because of her feathers on her wings there.
What's up, girl?
Oh, were there lion here the whole time?
Wow.
Lions spend 16 to 20 hours of every day either sleeping or resting. I'd like to say goodbye, so I'd like to leave you all with Wa Harini, which means go well. All the more.
Some thoughts, Kate?
I don't want to be in the front, is all I'm saying.
Okay, we can avoid being in the front.
Bye-bye. You too. That was an awesome girls' trip at Animal Kingdom. One of my favorite things was going to Pandora and riding both attractions and eating lunch there. So overall, it was fantastic, a great experience. Thanks for watching, fellow travelers.